Well, so back at the boat. Another video, been a long time. A lot of progress has been made, but I've not videoed an awful lot of it. It's all been sort of that rubbing down of the top deck through the winter. Bleached the front bunks, they've all been cleaned. They won't come up much whiter than that, but the canvas bunks in the front can go back in. I'll show you the inside in a second. And the nice bits. So I've had all the carpets rebuilt for the side. I don't generally like carpet on the side, but she's in great nick, and I've had them all edged. So they'll look great inside in a minute when I glue them in. Even the pockets to the little bookshelves have been done. So I've had them all whipped around the edge so they look just smart, and we'll see how we get on in a second. I've also done four-peak hatch, and that's going to be going in. And started doing some bits of work, removing all the dusty stuff. I've got some dusting and polishing, or dusting and sweeping to do before I put these mats in. But as you can see, I've recovered some of the woodwork. Also had to trim this edge back so that I can get my new four-peak hatch in, which, well, let's just give it a go. Just a little simple, easy, latched, well, it will be latched at the top here, four-peak cover. It was done during the winter in the workshop. I'll get on my booty. I think you get the gist. Once I've got a nice latch on it and cleaned up these little bits of holes for cleats or something, I might put a nice piece of wood up there. But that's that, and that never existed before, so that just tidies that four-peak up a little bit. I'm happy with that. As I said, I had to nick a bit out here to get the little hatch in, and I might foam back the edge just so she presses against the bulkhead, and that's the, when it goes in proper, that's the carpet. There. Let's not be shy. Don't try this at home. Well, not without referring to an expert's video on YouTube. Oof. Seriously happy with that. Oh, lordy, lordy, hallelujah, lordy, lord. Stay put. Right. Wish me luck. Yeah, loving it. It's looking nice. Much neater. Much neater. How about that? And you get them lockers painted grey again, or washed. Lockers painted grey, new canvases in. That's for another night. Get some lovely latches. 2 drop down latches on that hatch. I'll give that bulkhead another glossing. Might do something with the headlining, I'm not sure yet. At least uncovered but clean. I know where I'm at. And I might do something with this bulkhead here. I might even wood veneer it if I can get away with it. So that's the new woodwork with some bits still to be done. Some catches and clips. That's the gunnels, or the sides. New windows are in. Ceiling could do with another paint again. And the forward hatch with a little swing catch on it. Which opens up. Little sail locker at the front there. This tube, if you're wondering, is the chain tube. It directs the anchor chain down into the bottom locker, which has all been revarnished, ready to be screwed back on. A little bit more work left on it to do. Yeah, so I think you'll agree. It looks quite good. The bulkhead's interior white. That's the new bunks in. Some of the new woodwork done. I'm quite liking the look. I think I'll take these latches off. This little one here I've made. And that's where my toilet was. That's all ready to be grey. Locker painted, cleaned out for the last time. Some stoppers being put in the seacocks. So that's the progress I've made.